Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you the location and how to remove the front Fiat Freemont heater blower motor and resistor. If you do find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and most importantly subscribe to support the channel. Now beginning, you don't have to remove the glove box. I will be removing it just so I can have more space to record and show you the process. If you do want to, it is quite easy to do. Just follow the steps in the video and you'll have a bit more space to work with, otherwise you don't have to. Now we'll need to remove this bottom cover. It's just held on by two clips. After this is off, we have access to the blower motor. This is very easy to do. Anyone can do this at home. The blower motor, we will first detach the clip. So press on and then pull. Next, with the 8mm, we will need to remove the 3 bolts that hold the heater blower motor in place, and once this is off, it's ready to go. Please don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Once you remove the last bolt for the blower motor, it would come out quite easily. Next, I will show you the location of the resistor, which is over there. This is the front resistor. This vehicle does have a front and rear blower motor in the boot. The same idea with the blower motor plug, push on and pull, and then there is 2 Phillips screws, and this is how the resistor comes off as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.